Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how to generate cut fill volume from surface. So I'll show you for example, not in professional, but you can use it whenever you want. Okay. Now I make two surfaces, one for base surface and then another one for top, which is grading. So before I begin, I'll show you what we are going to show you. The generating surface volume information. Exercise 8. Okay, starting we are learning visualizing surface data. Today, this is the last exercise of the surface, and then we will learn something new for survey. Maybe tomorrow we'll learn about survey. Let's begin. So first I have this small plan for my cut fill area. Now I created two surfaces. Okay, surface 1, surface from NGL, which is this one, and then top surface. Another one is for grading level. So I have to go for analyze tab and then volume dashboard. Now I have to do this one is for create new volume surface. Okay, you just click it and then in the type of volume, type of surface, there is two surfaces. One is grid volume surfaces, another one is tin volume surface. Okay, so I choose tin volume surface, and then information tab you can the name you can change surface name or leave it as it is. Okay, and then description, if you want to you can change description, leave it as, and style cut and fill, bending 0.5 meter interval 2D. If you do not get from here, you can click here and then you choose cut and fill bending 0.5 meter interval 2D. You can choose this and OK. And render material keep as it is. Volume surface as the base surface. You choose base surface from here, from 3-dot button. You just click it and then choose the surface. Base surface is which is the bottom base surface, the NGL, and then click OK. And then comparison surface is here. You can click, then choose the top level, and then OK. Cut factor and fill factor keep as it is, and then click OK. So there is my top level, okay, which is we are making to compare, and there is the green is fill, and then red is cut. So now I select the surface and then click mouse right button, choose surface properties, and then here analyze, choose elevation, and then create range by range interval with datum by 5 and click run analysis. See, there is fill and cut. Okay, cut and fill. Now click apply and then OK. See, now before I begin the total, there is total cut fill volume, but I don't need total cut fill volume. I just need my project cut fill volume. So select the cut fill area and then click mouse right button, choose from here display send to back. So because you can see your plan. Okay, now I need only these blocks or this area. Okay, uh, what I am doing, I need just my boundary volume. I need all of this. Okay, and just click volume dashboard again, and then select the surface and see this one is create one new volume surface, and then another one is add bounded volume. You just click it and then select the your box or blocks or whatever you call. I just click this one, and then you notice that the Civil 3D automatically create the this one is volume for here. This name is surface 1.1. Okay, and then choose another one from here, this one, and it will be coming here. There is cut fill. Okay, and then choose again this one or that one until you finish. Okay, click until you finish, then add your volume to your dashboard. Okay, now I am finished all of this. Wherever you want to check, you just click and then see the rectangle, the red color of rectangle. See, you just click and check. Okay, all of the volume is done. Now you cannot print all of this because there is no check mark. If you want to this surfaces to print on your screen, you need to check like this. Before you check this one and then you uncheck that one, you just check like this. Okay, and then you can just click insert cut fill summary like this to in your screen. It will print your volume here. Okay, so before you print, you need to change this name or keep it as it is, no problem. You can change if you want or leave it. So that is simple. Or you can print from here, generate cut fill, just click and then boom, that is your total cut fill report. That is very simple. So hope you all enjoy, and please support me uh, and like and subscribe my videos. Also please share, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.